So when you have a 2 by 2, it's pretty easy to find the determinant. You're just going to draw a line through these two, like a spear, and then a line through these two. I'm going to draw a red one here, like that. And you're going to write down, you need to show your work for these. So you're going to write down 1 times 7 minus 6 times 2. So in other words, the guys going from left to right down, that blue line is multiplied, and then the other red line is multiplied, but you subtract the red line from the blue line. So that's going to be 7 minus 12, which is negative 5. So the determinant of that matrix is negative 5. Now we're going to key this matrix in as matrix A. We're going to check all our work, but this is the work I want to see so that I can correct your paper. I know your calculator knows how to do this. So everybody key in 1627 as a 2 by 2 matrix A in your calculator. You're going to key in your matrix, hit second quit, and now hit second matrix again and hit math. And the very first thing on the math button is DET. Select it. Go ahead and do what I'm asking. Second quit, and then second matrix math, DET, and now select matrix A and hit enter. And it'll give you the negative 5. So before you start your homework, find all the answers, but then you're going to have to show me your work, okay?
You said second matrix.
So here's the second easy one. It's 9, 6, 3, 2. So what do you think the answer is without using your calculator? What are you going to do?
18 by 18.
So what's the answer?
0.
Yeah, so it's 18 minus 18, which is 0. But what you're going to show me is 9 times 2 minus 6 times 3. And then you're going to get the 0. Okay? Easy. We've got a 3 by 3. You write it down pretty evenly spaced. Make sure all your columns are pretty evenly spaced. And then you're going to rewrite your first 2 columns over to the right. So now I'm going to draw diagonals. And with your pen, don't do it too dark. You know, I'm just kind of lightly going to go through here like this. I'm going to spear those, and spear those. That 2 is speared, that middle 2. And then I'm going to change color so you can see. And I'm going to spear those, and those. Now, there are only 2 numbers in this whole problem that are not speared. And that is at least once, and that is the 2 middle guys right here. Everybody else should have at least 1 or 2 spears going through him. So we've got these first 3, I'm going to put little plus marks on top. So these are adding. And then the green ones, I'm going to put minus signs on top of here. Minus, minus, and minus. So now I'm going to set it up, see if you figure out what I'm doing. It's going to be 0, the first one. The first one is 0 times negative 1 times 5 plus negative 4 times 1 times 3 plus 0 times 2 times negative 2. And I'm going to change minus, and it's 0, negative 1, 3, minus 0, 1, negative 2, minus negative 4, 2, and 5. If you're smart, anything with a 0 is going to bite the dust because 0 times anything is 0. So you don't really have to key those in your calculator, okay? So basically what you have to put in your calculator is negative 4, 1, 3 minus negative 4, 2, and 5. And everybody put that in and see if you get 28. Negative 12, and then minus, and this is going to be negative 40. So it's negative 12 plus 40, which guess what, is 28, which is what we were looking for. But your calculator will do all that work. You just need to show me, you need to show me this in order to get credit.